Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Savlamar, Jamaica, and we're going to look at the #1 mall in Savlamar, which is the Beckford Mall, and that's the mall on the left that we're going to turn into. Now, Savlamar is the largest town in Western Jamaica. It's also the capital of Westmoreland. Now remember, Montego Bay is a city, so we're talking in terms of towns now. Savlamar is the largest town in Western Jamaica. Okay, so the street we were on is called Beckford Street, and the plaza we just turned into is called Beckford Plaza because it's named because of the street it's on. So if you've been following the channel, you know that you need 3 things for a successful plaza in Jamaica. 1, you need a large brand name supermarket, and straight ahead, that's Shoppers Fair. They are actually the largest supermarket chain in Jamaica. 2, you need to build a plaza in a populated area. Now, Savlamar has the largest it has one of the largest populations in Western Jamaica, and actually in all of Jamaica. So it's a very populated town. And so that has the building it in a populated area covered. And then 3, you need food stores. Now this plaza has a juicy beef along with other restaurants. So it has the food stuff covered. So this plaza does very well because it follows the formula to a T. Brand name supermarket, build it in a populated area, and have food stores. Alright guys, enjoy the tour of Beckford Plaza. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.